Hi everyone, my name is Zihan Yi. I'm the Utility and Energy Storage Product Director here with CPS America. Today I'm going to introduce you to our new utility solution, the Skidded string solution, which utilizes our new 250 kilowatt 600 volt inverter together with the switchboard and the transformer on a prefab skid. This is an integrated solution which comes with two options. We have a 2.5 megawatt with 10 of the inverters, and we have another version at 3 megawatt with 12 of the inverters. Everything will be coming, together on a skid. Will be pre-integrated from the factory and then shipped to the site directly. So on site, it's really like a plug-and-play solution. The EPC or customer really just have to plug in the DC cables and then the AC medium voltage cables at the end of the medium voltage transformer. So it saves a lot on the cost in the field in terms of installations and cabling, because everything between the inverter, the switchboard, and the transformer will be pre-integrated and pre-installed from the factory. We do have US-made options in case the domestic content is a requirement. We have options for US steels and also US-made transformers, switchgear. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We can provide more technical information and help with your design, help with your project. Thank you very much.